everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We out here with my boy Woody. He's gonna be helping me out. And today oh god, this thing's heavy. We rolling the fenders on the IS. It might come out bad. It might not. What do you gotta say, Blue Man? Look at this Blue Man group over here.
I feel like we're about to pull them.
Please don't pull my fenders.
I don't think we're gonna pull them.
Please don't pull my fenders.
RIP to his paint, by the way, because he doesn't want to use a heat gun.
I mean, I'm not gonna pull my fenders, so I don't need the heat gun. I rolled my fronts without a heat gun, and they're perfectly fine.
Everybody go on his Instagram, hashtag it's a bucket.
Please don't do that. I'm gonna cry. So let's get to it, guys. All right, so we finally loosened up all the lug nuts. And Woody, do you know how to roll fenders? Yeah, I don't either. So we definitely gonna goof up here.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
What scares me though, I mean it's a Doge, it's not gonna blow up.
Look at Andy.
Damn.
No offense.
What worries me though, the IS is a little lowered, right? Look at the jack brings out. This thing's from 1922. This is a tank.
Last year, dog. It's just been sitting in the body
This
shop.
thing's a tank. What the fuck?
Slam status.
Slam status. Slam status is what's gonna be slamming into my car. That's the only slam here. Space in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
guys, I didn't know how to use John's camera, and I accidentally took a really bad selfie of myself.
I'm definitely gonna be posting that somewhere around here.
I hope nobody sees that, but
oh, everybody's gonna see it.
As you can see, John's here putting on the fender roller. John, how you feeling about this, bro?
I'm a little sketched.
Oh man.
Guys, don't get 6 speeds.
Guys, is this backwards? John, what are you doing, bro?
Guy, hold on. You gotta freaking. Did you put my e-brake on?
Yeah.
You want to take off the e-brake?
You know, that would be super smart. I guess we'll be back to you guys when we got this thing going.
Hey guys, so finally figured out how to do it. I didn't know how to do it. Woody apparently did it on his Corolla. Still didn't know how to do it. But yeah.
Stance Corolla for the win.
Oh god. I think we tightened it a little too hard, Papa.
Yeah, you gotta loosen it a little bit and then just start to ease it in there. Other way. Just start to ease it in there and then tighten it as you're going. That should be good. As long as it's able to spin freely.
Negativo.
You wanna grab the camera?
Negativo. I don't want you to do this.
Yeah, there you go. And then as it starts to fold, that happened to me a couple of times. As it starts to fold, just tighten it more and more. Don't pull your fenders though.
I mean, you should have probably cleaned this up here.
John looks a bit excited and scared right now.
All the above. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you already know we gotta have a flashlight because I can't see anything.
Oh my god.
But as you guys can see, let me get that right there. As y'all can see in here, we've rolled it pretty well.
And it didn't pull.
And it didn't pull. Yeah, it did chip a little bit there. It chipped a little bit there. But I mean, honestly, you can't do much about it. The outside, you're good. As I pull paint while I say that. Outsides are Gucci. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep trying to roll these fenders, and then we'll get to the next one. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, we are done. Oh, there goes paint. Don't worry about that. But we got it. It's literally laying on the on the outside, like literally the lip is laying right here.
Johnny, just show them.
All right, guys. So you see right there, this lip used to be straight.
Look, there goes more paint, guys.
Don't worry about that. That's why this guy. That's why this guy has. Shut up. That's why this guy has a body shop. Yeah, as you see there, it's all rolled up. We is gooch. But yeah, guys, let's get to the next side.
Back at it again, guys.
Oh god, there goes my lip.
Oh.
I mean, I already need a new rear bumper, so fuck it. I mean, don't zoom in, right? Oh, that's tighten it. Ah, I got dirt on me.
Wow.
Guys, look at this. Look at that.
Let's get that on the camera.
I mean, that's why you roll your fenders, ladies and gentlemen.
That's all rubber, guys.
Oh, that's rubber too.
Someone over here thinks he has a GTE and is over here drifting and shit.
Hey, I don't drift. I'm not Andy. I just do burnouts.
Guys, let's see.
Let's see if I can get the Woody.
Do you guys see this?
Hey, you don't see that, okay?
Yo, but that rolling is actually pretty decent.
What you think, boy? This is Motoscopio spec here.
Guys, this is his first time. This is both of our, well, my second time.
Yeah, his second time. He didn't do shit though, but
this is very, very even for a first timer.
You
see here how this part looks like it's more in than here?
Yeah, well, I mean, the bumper is destroyed here though.
Oh yeah, that too.
The bumper, like,
that
the
same
lip.
exact thing happened to my car.
I mean, does it match up with the other side though? Oh my God, guys, Woody, get the fuck out of the way. Look at the kitty. I'm a dog person, but look at the kitty. You know, just die halfway through it. Woody, I can't see you.
Yo.
There you are.
Leave a comment.
Alright, y'all, I need my lighting back. Thank you, Woody. Alright, there you go. Thank you, Woody. But guys, I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Follow my boy Woody over here too. I'll put his Instagram somewhere down here. Helping me out somewhere. Like I said, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Until next time. Peace out.
Be safe out there.